Hey, what's up guys, it's Karthik here, back with another HD tech video. What we have here today is something very special guys. It's an unboxing video of Canon 200D Mark II DSLR. Wow, that's quite heavy. Let's unbox this. I bought this camera from Amazon India and it has come with the standard packaging. We have got the camera bag inside the package and then the camera itself in another sealed box. Upon opening this box, what we have inside is the EFS 18 to 55mm f4 to 5.6 IS STM kit lens, some paperwork, battery, and it's adaptive for charging with the cable, a red and black strap, and then the camera body itself. This camera is tagged as the lightweight camera that has ever been produced. Almost every YouTuber has said the same. Even the Canon website claims weighing only a little heavier than a bottle of water. Since this is my first DSLR, I couldn't say whether this body is huge or small or lightweight. But right off the bat, I can clearly see that this camera is extremely well built and it has this amazing grip to hold, which is excellent. Let me quickly run through the technical specifications of this camera. This is a crop body camera with an image sensor of 24.2 megapixels, comes with the new dual pixel CMOS autofocus 3 system. And it uses Digic 8 as the image processor, which is an upgraded version from its predecessor and which is relatively new for this camera. In terms of battery, it comes with the LPE17 inside the box, along with the 16 gigs of SD card. As far as the connectivity options go, Canon did not disappoint. Canon has packed in everything you could expect. This device comes with Bluetooth 4.1 and Wi-Fi, which allows you to instantly transfer photos and videos from your camera to your Android or iOS smartphone with the help of Camera Connect app. Weight of the camera is 451 grams, including the battery, and it has 9 autofocus points, 3-inch fully articulating touchscreen display with 1.4 million dots of resolution. This camera can record up to 4K videos at 25 frames per second. Coming to ISO, it ranges from 100 to 25,600 and it also can be extended to 51,200. Shutter speed, that ranges from 30 to 1/4000 and it also has a bulb mode. For the price point, this is the great choice of camera to get started. This device ticks all the boxes like great image and video quality, having a tilt screen which is extremely helpful for filming yourself or for vlogging, and offers a great battery life as well. Since being a lightweight camera, this also makes it a great everyday companion. So that's pretty much about the unboxing guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'm super excited and thrilled about this. I cannot wait to get my hands on. I guess this is the last video from my iPhone, and moving on, it'll be from my new Canon 200D Mark II. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, it's Karthik signing off. Peace out.